So we're going to be looking at examples on probability. We're looking at the first one today. A ball is drawn randomly from a bag containing 8 red, 4 blue, and 2 green identical balls. Find the probability that the ball drawn is not red. Find the probability that the ball drawn is not what? Red. And remember, I gave us some formulas on this probability in my previous video. So you just go check. I could link it up or I could keep it in the description. So you check that out. So the formula for it is 1 minus. So we have the probability of that particular term, 1 minus the probability that it is not. This is the formula in that video. So using this now, we say probability not red. That is 1 minus. What is the probability of a red ball? In this, it means 8 all over the total number. Remember the formula I gave us, the general formula for probability states that what? Number of required outcome all over number of possible outcome. So in this case, now number of required is red ball, isn't it? So that is 8 all over number of possible, the total, because I said they are identical balls. So this is 8 all over 8 plus 4 plus 2. And that will give us 1 minus 8. When you add all these things together, you have 14. So we look for the LCM. The LCM is 14. Pardon me. The LCM is 14. So 1 into 14 is 14. 14 times 1 is 14. 14 into 14 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. So when we subtract, we have 6 over 14. When we reduce it, 2 into 6 will give us 3. 2 into 14 will give us 7. So therefore, the probability of not red is equal to 3 over 7. Very simple. So looking at the very last example for this video, this is an illustration, but you can't be able to answer this question if you didn't watch my previous video. So try to look at the description and watch that video. So here they said if P of x denotes the probability that event x will occur and P of x prime denotes the probability that event x will not occur, which of the following is not true? So we have here 0 that is not starting from 0 and not ending at 1, or 0 less than P of x less than 1. We have 0 less than or greater or equal to P of x less than or equal to 1, or P of x plus P of x prime equal to 1, or P of x prime equal to 0, 0 less than P of x prime or less than 1. So the wrong one here, or the one that is not true, is the D. Why every other one is true? Why? Because in the explanation I gave in that previous video, probability is between 0 and 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. And then this one is a case of probability of success plus probability of failure is always equal to 1. But this is not related in probability. So this D is the option that is not true. Hope it's clear.